सैयारा तू है, मैं हूँ डॉन।
Rolling eyes emoji.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
We are the girls of the house.
Yeah,
Promise.
we are like daughters.
That was nice. पापा वो पूरा ट्रिप चिढ़े थे.
I don't do mischief. I'm a good boy.
I am the Tala Dabba of the family.
We have to cut this. Welcome to this very special birthday edition episode. Today with me I've got Sahil and Azhar, and the best way to start this episode would be to wish Anis sir a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dad!
So I've got a bunch of different sections here. Okay, it's almost going to be like a game. The first section is called the blame game. Okay, so I'm going to ask you a quick question, and you've got to either point at each other or point at yourself. Okay, ready? And no excuses, no explanations, nothing. Okay, I will allow a little bit of banter, but that's it. Okay, the first question is, who calls dad more?
For what?
Anything in general. Let's say that you've got something.
We
for-
try to call as less as possible.
But if you were to choose, who do you think calls him more?
Same.
I think same hai.
Same.
Similar amount.
Who gets lectured by dad more? Really?
Both, but like 60%.
I am the Tala Dabba of the family.
60%, 40%.
Okay. Who is
99 and 1.
Go on, man, 60%, 40%.
Because whenever you do something, इसके लिए कैसे हो सकता है?
Rubbish. Rubbish.
मैं क्यों ऐसा करता है? सुनता नहीं है.
Don't justify what you said.
पागल हो गया कबे हाँ अनबन सन बोल रहा है
So the next one is, who is dad's favorite? I think everyone in the room would say
Any day. Carbon copy.
I am not a carbon copy. I told him also yesterday.
okay, who makes dad laugh more?
I think it's mixed.
Mixed,
I think
but
it's mixed.
mostly him.
I think it's mixed.
Who gets away with more mischief?
100%.
I don't do mischief. I'm a good boy.
But in a situation where there must have been
Him. Because whenever I do something wrong, I'm getting a lot of.
अच्छा?
Yeah, I swear.
and he gets away with it?
I get away with it.
Sometimes.
No, I'm more older. And
For example,
I know what I'm doing. This one,
Okay, so who does dad trust more with, let's say, his car or other prized possessions?
very sweet.
Who is more likely to forget something that dad told them?
हाँ, मैं कर लूँ, मैं late कर रहा
Okay. And who gets compared to dad most often?
This I will agree.
ऐसा साल, क्योंकि साल तो exact copy.
No, I'm not like him at all.
Alright, that was the first segment. We are moving on to the next segment, which is called Dad's Greatest Hits. Okay, so I'm going to ask you guys some unforgettable stories. So this you're going to probably have to think about. So the first one is a holiday or vacation memory with dad that the family still laughs about.
नहीं, इससे पहले
General is like all.
No, Turkey we had.
Which one? 2022.
हाँ.
क्या memory था?
That was nice. पापा वो पूरा ट्रिप चिढ़े थे.
पूरा. He spoiled everyone's trip.
क्योंकि पहली बार तो मेरा फ्लाइट मिस हो गया था.
Such good
passport. Then सुबह 7 बजे उठाया बिना योगा के. तो बहुत entertaining trip था. All
He was angry. He ruined everyone's trip.
Nah. He didn't ruin it. He was irritated and then he enjoyed it.
Yeah. But in the start, he got angry at everybody.
Because-
Everyone is sad.
योगा नहीं करते मेरा.
Yeah.
So, भाई लोग जो भी ट्रिप पे जा रहा है 10 बजे के बाद प्लान स्टार्ट करो. योगा जरूरी है.
Yoga se hi hoga.
योगा से ही होएगा.
Mostly होता है yoga से.
Okay, moving on. The life advice that he always gives.
Don't spend too much money. Save your money. It's a genuine thing.
Yeah.
Don't spend unnecessarily. Take care of your health and sleep. This is like अगर मुझे कुछ भी बोला था, he doesn't tell me about work or anything or rather कुछ नहीं. He knows that we're doing our best and doing more and whatever we can. I think.
Yeah.
Sleep and save money.
Yeah, being here 27 and 24 respectively, still the other day he's like, why you slept late and all that. Yeah, but it's still we're getting
And
lecture.
parents that never changes, no matter
Yeah,
how old
We
you
are the
are.
girls of the house.
Yeah, we are like daughters.
What do you mean?
आपको 10 बजे phone
जैसा
आएगा.
आपको समझना है समझो, we are like daughters.
Okay, this could be perceived in many ways.
That is how they perceive it.
Okay, what's the most dad-like thing he does on a daily basis?
He's calling regularly. Where are you?
Yeah.
Who you're going out with? Like, so dad like.
क्यों बाहर जा रहा है? आज जाने की जरूरत है क्या?
आपकी फैमिली
मतलब 2 हफ्ते हो गए लेकिन आज जाने की जरूरत है क्या?
Do you all also have this rule in your family कि कल मजे किए तो आज नहीं कर सकते? Like how can you have fun?
आज
days in a
मजे
row?
नहीं करते।
मजे ही मत करो, घर पे बैठो फैमिली के साथ।
बाहर क्यों जाने का है?
हाँ,
सबको घर पे बुलाओ। सबको खाना मैं खिलाऊंगा।
हाँ।
डीजे बुला रहा है, डीजे घर पे बुलाओ।
हाँ।
बाहर क्यों जाना?
खर्चा करो जितना, call the lavish food, but
घर पे
sit
करो।
down. Sit in front of me.
Okay. The craziest or most extra thing that has ever done for you?
There's a lot of things. My
But
God,
what
now.
extra?
एक्स्ट्रा तो गाड़ी भाई।
गाड़ी।
मेरी गाड़ी।
अभी मैं थाईलैंड गया था. I went Thailand with my friends.
Yeah.
Without permission, he booked a car for all of us for 4 days.
Without permission. He doesn't need your
Yeah, he
permission.
doesn't need it.
His father, he can do what he
Yeah,
wants.
yeah.
Then there
That's
is
so-
one more story where that I was in Thailand and I was stuck for a particular 3 hours.
Yeah.
He stopped. He like, you know, what do you say that he put a Dubai ko hila raha.
Yeah.
he made everyone scared in Dubai.
No, but I think his priority was to get you out.
Yeah,
He would
yeah.
do anything to get you
My
out.
friends 4 guys were scared also.
What about you, Azhar?
I extra तो out of the way तो पता नहीं कितने
इतने
सारे
हैं।
चीजें की हुई कि it could be my birthday, it could be the car I have today, which then date I tell him like, you know, you should drive this car. He's like, no, you drive it. It's for you. I'm like, wow. But like, today I cannot remember a very particular thing, but over the years everybody knows he is the most extra
Yeah.
in the world.
Would you say his love language is gifting?
No, his love language is love.
Okay.
Yes.
In every sense.
Yes, not the gifting is a separate thing he does.
Okay, nice. These were nice answers. Now we're moving on to the next segment, which is rapid fire. I'm going to ask you all questions alternating. Okay? And you've got to go very quick.
Okay.
Okay. What is Dad's guilty pleasure food?
It's up to
Okay. What's one thing Dad never leaves home without?
Rupa.
What's Dad's most used WhatsApp emoji?
K, not emoji. K. K क्या है? Okay क्यों नहीं लिख सकते? Mood off है या mood on है? Okay लिख देगा.
Boss in isolated.
And
Oh, that
Yes.
one. That emoji. Okay. What's Dad's favorite time of the day?
No time.
But like morning.
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 सुबह योगा और या तो शाम को
It depends. He has no time. He has no time.
किसी भी कोई आज मजा आ रहा है.
Yeah.
He will say ना मेरा दिमाग बैटरी की तरह चल रहा है.
Yeah.
सुबह तो he will say.
Yeah.
Okay. What's Dad's biggest obsession right now?
I hate that movie, and my dad made me hate it more.
How many times did he make you watch it?
He watched it 4, but he made me watch once.
Once. Okay.
Thank you.
What is Dad's favorite vacation destination?
Jindal.
Jindal, Salala.
No, no, Jindal.
I thought it was
All year.
Switzerland or something.
No, he
What's
hates.
his
He
name?
doesn't like to go to Europe.
ये सब नाम का है. ये सब बोलने के लिए होता है कि मैं स्विट्जरलैंड जाना चाहता हूँ. वाह, वो ऐसे थे भी नहीं.
जोर से बोल के लोगों को स्कीमें बता दे।
He just wants to go to Jindal every single year. Every year he will try to emotionally blackmail us with
मतलब अभी आदमी इतना पतला हो गया, कितना और पतला कराना है.
The funny thing is he's at Jindal right now.
Yes,
As we're
he is.
filming this.
Yes.
Stay there. 8 days enjoy. Take care of my mom, okay?
Okay. What's Dad's favorite movie or show?
He likes Sholay. He likes Diwar. He likes almost all Amitabh Bachchan movies, and next obviously Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay. Dad's favorite outfit color. I know this one's tough.
Sky blue.
Really?
Yeah.
Out of all the
Page
70.
of sky.
एक जैकेट है उनके पास स्काई ब्लू का. Oh God, कब लिया था? 10-12 साल हो गए. अभी भी है. पर अभी भी वो दूसरा एक रेप्लिका ढूंढ रही है. यही स्काई ब्लू चाहिए. हम लोग
He's a rich man. He
Yeah.
can
क्या?
And he loves dressing.
He loves dressing up. He can beat probably all of Bollywood.
But he's taking my clothes nowadays.
What?
Half my clothes are not.
But he keeps saying that you're taking his
Yeah,
clothes.
that's actually true.
Yeah.
No, the funny thing is, Papa always gives me his clothes to
Yeah.
style.
He's taking.
But मेरा साइज और उनका साइज बहुत फर्क है यार. मैं हमेशा
Yeah.
आपको बोलता हूँ कि
ये
ये
t-shirt
बड़ा. But recently फिर 2-3 चीजें कुछ ज्यादा.
ये मेरा है. He
Uh-huh.
wore it more than me. ये भी मेरा है. He's worn it more than me.
तेरा ही पापा है.
Yeah.
Same size, I guess. That's why.
Maybe. And the last one is what is Dad's late night snack of choice?
ट्रफल आइसक्रीम वर्ल्ड क्लास चॉकलेट भी खा लेंगे
Ice cream.
So it's ice
फिर
cream.
बर्फी भी है he's a lot of people probably don't know he's one of his favorite chocolate is bounty
Oh.
But he
Yeah.
doesn't have it often.
no because उनके घर पे कौन लेके आता है कोई नहीं लेके आता है तो उनको भी when he likes it he likes it
And he need it.
But he gets a migraine, right, with chocolate.
No, no.
Like, we have to cut
वो
this.
वो
नहीं
वो दिन के हिसाब से
Sun,
होता है।
we get
वो,
migraine from sun.
Goodness.
Goodness.
बाकी सारे चॉकलेट पे barely eat, but if you give him a bounty, he might just have it.
Yeah, that is the mindset ki chocolates are. Reality is sun.
Okay.
Yeah, chocolates.
Next segment is dad in emojis. Okay, so I'm going to ask you all individually. If you were to describe him in 3 emojis, what would they be? You need to act them out for the camera.
Okay.
Okay, ready.
You're ready? Okay, you can. Okay, that's one.
Oh.
Oh, cute.
I'm giving
Your
the
turn. The rolling eyes emoji.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And
Ah, the cool guy.
and
Cake. If dad walked into a room and theme music played, what would it be?
theme music.
Like he's walking in slow mo into a room.
म्यूजिक
And then one more. Say yeah, I hate that song, man.
Time to wrap this up. One word to describe that.
Affectionate.
Caring, emotional, and
Yeah, emotional. Very
I love it.
So finally, let's just all together send him the biggest wish of all.
Happy birthday, Dad, to our Sayara. ये Sayara का मतलब स्टार है.
नहीं है. He's dad, not star.